Hello everybody. In the previous video, we used NimblePublisher to manage markdown files as blog posts, and implemented a list page and detail page. In this video, we will add the feature to attach tags for blog posts, and enable searching by tags. First, let's add the tags field to the meta attribute of the markdown file. Add the tags field as a list of strings. Next, let's edit the post.x file. Let's add the tags field in the post struct. Since NimblePublisher parses the markdown header, we can just retrieve it from attrs. Great. Once you have finished modifying the post struct, edit the contents module to make it compatible with tag-based searches. Open the contents.x file and add the getPostsByTags function. This function filters all the posts that contain the tag string passed as an argument to the function. OK. Let's try it in IX. Open the terminal and start IX. After starting IX, run the getPostsByTags function you implemented. Please confirm whether the posts are being filtered by the specified tag. Next, let's change the implementation of the list page. First, let's display the tags that are associated with the post. Since there is a tags field in the post structure, we will loop through that list and display the tags. Let's make it so that clicking on this tag adds the tag string to the query parameter. You can pass a map to verified routes. That's cool. Once you enable tag display, let's branch the posts to assign according to the query parameters. The query parameters can be referenced with params, which is the first argument of the mount function. This time, we will branch the mount function with pattern matching. If there is a tag parameter, execute the getPostsByTags function, and if not, execute the allPosts function. Let's make the header change depending on the presence of tag parameters. You can branch it with an if macro within the template. OK, now, let's click on the tag. The tag you clicked on will be set as a query parameter and the filtered posts will be displayed. Great! We were able to achieve the search functionality for blog posts without any database operations. This brings an end to the NimblePublisher video series. Did you enjoy it? With NimblePublisher, you can easily build a blog system based on markdown files. You can specify markdown headers according to your use case and implement custom logic such as draft settings, tag settings, etc. Thank you for watching.